In this class, we shall continue with the next topic of our chapter. We shall learn about the female reproductive part of a flower. The female reproductive part of a flower is known as a gynoecium. It is known as a gynoecium. Gynoecium, it is the female reproductive part of a flower. So we can also call a pistil if one female reproductive part of a flower is known as a pistil. So in a flower, if there's only one female reproductive part of a flower, that is, if there's only one pistil, it is known as monocarpellary. If there's two pistil in a flower, we say a bicarpellary. If there's three, we say a tricarpellary. But if there's many pistil, we say a multicarpellary flower. So if in a multicarpellary flower, if the pistil are fused, we say it a apocarpus. But when it is free, if it is fused, it is known as a syncarpus. When it is free, it is known as a apocarpus. So a female reproductive part of flower, the structure of a female reproductive flower, it is a composed. Let us draw first the female reproductive part of a flower is composed of a stigma, and then it is made of a long thread, which is the style, and an oval, which is the ovary. The stigma is present on the upper part. The style, they are of two types. One is the hollow style is the one that, suppose this is a style, is the one in which the cells are present on the lateral side, but in the middle it is a cavity which is hollow. And another part of a style is a solid style is the one in which all are filled up with cells, in which no cavities are present. This is a solid type of style. And in the ovary, inside the ovary present another oval structure, which is known as the ovule, O-V-U-L-E, ovule, and this ovule is attached to the ovary, and the region which attach the ovule to the ovary is known as the placenta. It's known as the placenta. So now we'll see the microsporangia of a female reproductive part of a flower. So we will see only in angiosperm. In angiosperm, the ovule type, the types of ovule present in angiosperms is Anatropus. Anatropus is an upside down ovule. Upside down ovule. And in angiosperm, the ovule is bitegamic. So now we shall draw the structure of Anatropus ovule, which is present in angiosperm. We shall draw the Microsporangia. Suppose this is the ovary wall, and this is a region where the ovule is attached. It is known as the placenta. From here, the ovule is attached, and it goes like this. This is an Anatropus ovule. This is a placentation. The region, this is this is a region which get attached to the placenta. It is known as the funicle. And the region where this funicle ended, it is known as the hilum. And the region of this funicle which get extended, suppose this funicle extended, because on this side it is end in this, but this funicle on this side is extended. This extended portion is known as the raphe. So we have drawn the ovule here. The upper part of ovule is known as the chalazal. And then the down part, it is known as the micropyle. And it is and then this ovule is, and these are the integuments. This is an outer integuments. And this is inner integuments. Which made a bitegmic integuments. So inside this ovule present a numerous number of cells. These cells are known as nucleus cells. These cells known as nucleus cells. Out of all the organs inside an ovule, this is the most important cells because for later they will function. They will function. So this is a nucleus cells. In some ovule, in some part of a flower, when a nucleus inside an ovule is less, it is known as NuCellate. But in some flower, in the ovule, the nucleus cells is present in a numerous number, so more in number, it is known as secrecy nucleate. So this nucleus number, why did I say that it will perform an important function? Because one cells out of all these nucleus cells, one cell of the nucleus cell which is present towards the micropyle, it will get larger. It will get larger or become bigger in size. Become larger in size. So that conclude the structure of a female reproductive flower, female reproductive part of a flower, and the structure of a megasporangium. So why one of the nucleus cells become larger, we shall see in our next class.